Alright everybody, so in the first part of this lesson I showed you guys how to find slope using a graph. Now the next part of this what I'm going to do is show you guys how to find slope if you've just got a set of 2 points. So let's say that I have a set of 2 coordinate points. I'm going to write right here x, comma, y, just to remind you guys the order that coordinate pairs go in. And let's say that I have the coordinate pair of 3, 5, and 1, 6. So I'm just saving those 2 points right there. Now there's something called the slope formula that will allow you to find the slope of these 2 points. And the slope formula looks like this. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, now just to make this more apparent as to what I'm doing, I am going to go ahead and color these guys for you. So I'm going to call this pair 1. I'm going to call this pair 2. Big old box there. But yeah. So what that basically is going to tell you is that the red is pair 1. Blue, I'm going to do blue pair 2 just to put the outside for you. And what I'm going to do is, this is therefore x1. And this one over here is y1. And this guy over here is x2 and y2. So we got a first pair of x and y and a second pair of x and y. So here's how this is going to work. I am going to go ahead and put those numbers in. x2 and y2 can go first if I want to. 6 and 1. Then we've got y1 and x1. We've got 5 and 3. And then I just fill in the rest of this. And then I do the math. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. My slope is negative 1 over 2. Okay? So basically what we're doing is using a formula to be able to find the slope of 2 given sets of coordinate points. You take y2, you subtract y1. You take x2, you subtract x1. You put the first on top of the second, y's on top of x's, and you've got your slope. And again, the 1 and the 2 come from set 1 and set 2. Coordinate set 1 is in red there. Coordinate set 2 is in blue. And then you just pop them where they go in the formula. You can label them x1, y1. The 1 comes from the set, right? x1, y1, x2, y2. You just put them where they go in here, the formula, and you're done.